VideoMicro II. Dead cat or windscreen. VideoMicro II is ultra compact for easy carrying. There's cable for smartphones. You might need a USB-C to aux adapter for it to work with your smartphone, or lightning to aux adapter if you have iPhone 14 or older. TRS cable for camera microphone. The compact size is one of the main reasons I got this microphone. Don't really want to carry a large microphone around in my backpack, and it's compatible with smartphones. Well, if your wire for smartphone works, mine came defective and makes sounds when recording. Would I recommend it if you're looking for something compact for your camera and phone recording? Then why not? Make sure to test everything out before keeping it. I found out that the hard way.